Airgun Nation.
Hey everybody, Michael Wendt, Airgun Nation here, with May's Target Shooting Challenge. Head on over to the Airgun Nation forum, download your target and print it out. If you don't have a printer, just grab yourself a piece of paper or any type of backer, and 6 pieces of candy. The challenge is to use any type of airgun, rifle or pistol, with any scope or any sights, any brand pellet, any caliber, shooting from any position and at any distance. You're going to take your 6 pieces of candy and glue or tape them onto your backer. And the challenge is to take only 6 shots and try to hit each one of your targets. 1 shot at each target. If you miss, move on to the next one. Today, I'm going to be shooting my Daystate Delta Wolf in .25 caliber. I've got the Hawk Frontier first focal plane scope on top with sports match adjustable rings. Up front, I've got a Huma modular moderator and a Accutac bipod on the bottom.
Air guns.
I am shooting the .25 caliber 34 grain JSB King Heavies MK2 at right about 900 feet per second. So I'm gonna go down range, set up my target, turn on the camera, come back here, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, target is set up at 45 yards. The conditions are sunny, but quite gusty, up to 17 miles per hour. So this should make the challenge nice and interesting. Let us see how many of them pieces of candy we can hit with only 6 shots. Oh, just grazed it. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Air guns.
Boom! Boom! There we go. All right, that was 5 out of 6. Pretty happy with that. I noticed that if I put any pressure on this, even though these Accutac bipods are solid with the legs extended, maybe it's the carpet too, changes the point of impact quite a bit. Anywho, there you go. May's Airgun Nation Target Shooting Challenge. Either take a quick video of your target, what you're shooting, or take 3 pictures. One of the target before, one of the target after, and one of the equipment that you used. You can upload that to Instagram or Facebook and use hashtag AGN Challenge, or directly to the Airgun Nation forum in the appropriate topic. And we've got some great prizes, including some lead and some other great steel prizes from one of our good members. So get out there, have some fun, do some shooting, challenge yourself, and good luck.